How to check credits, promos, and gift cards on Instacart. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instacart and log into your account. Then click on the three lines at the top left corner of your screen. Here, scroll down and click on credits, promos, and gift cards. After you've clicked on it, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Here you'll find your credits, which is your credit balance. You can also click on view balances in here to check all your history of credits and your total credit balance. And if you go back again, you can click on add. And after you click on add, you will be able to add your promo code or gift card code in here. Simply add it here and press on add funds. After you press on add funds, your credit will increase as the code's price. And this is how to check credits, promos, and gift cards on Instacart. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.